Hello there, welcome to my video tutorial on how to jailbreak your PS3 on official firmware 4.81. Without further ado, let's jump in. If you just head over to Google and type in PS3 jailbreak, and if you scroll down halfway down the page, you should see this link over here, PS3 jailbreak 4.81 OFW to CFW, with a date, and the site should be customjailbreak.com. If you just click on this link here, this is where you would download the jailbreak. But before you download it, you want to check if your PS3 is compatible. So if you go over to device information, and if you look at the barcode on the back of your PS3, and if you look at the ending numbers, it should end in CECH, followed by 5 numbers, or 5 numbers and letters. You just want to check if that's, you want to grab your one, and you want to compare it against this list. If it's marked as green, it should work fine. If it's marked as orange, it hasn't been tested yet, and if it's marked as red, it won't work. My one is the 25, the CECH 25, and it works fine. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and click on PS3 jailbreak on the website, and you just want to go and download this file. Once the file's been downloaded, it will come as, that's my USB stick. Once the file's been downloaded, it will come in a zip file, just like this, and I've gone ahead and extracted it. So inside this, you'll see a PS3 folder and an update folder. You just want to grab the PS3 folder. So if you just copy the PS3 folder, and paste it in your USB stick root directory. This one's just empty. I made it earlier for testing purposes. So if I paste this here, it should have the update file. Now I'm just going to move over to the PS3 and I'll switch to my camera now. Okay, so once you have the file on the USB, you need to plug it into the PS3. You also need to check if your serial number is compatible with the jailbreak. So if you just go on the back of your PS3 and look at these numbers over here, as you can see, it says CECH 2503A, and as we checked on the list earlier, it's compatible on customjailbreak.com. So once the USB is plugged in, you need to go into your PS3. No, we don't want to log out. And we want to update via storage media. So you want to go into the settings menu, and you want to go to the top and go to system update and update via storage media. Now I'm just going to stop it here for a second and I'll show you when it's updating. But when it's done updating, you should have custom firmware on your PS3, which I'll show you in a moment. Okay, so as it's updating, this will usually take a while. So what I might do is I might pause the video, or I'll stop recording in a second and I'll start recording again when it's finished downgrading to version 3.55. So once the firmware update is complete, as you can see, we're on official firmware 3.55, and from here we should be able to install the custom firmware. So to continue doing that, what you need to do is you need to go out into your menu, and you want to update via storage media again using the same USB file. So let's just do that quickly. Update via storage media again. Okay, so this is the last update stage. It should be finished updating in a second. When it's done, it should restart your PS3. When it's restarted, I'll show you the custom firmware. Okay, so once that's complete, you need to go and check that the custom firmware is installed properly. So go into system settings, and then go and check your system information. And as you can see, we've got version 4.81 custom firmware installed. And with this you could install homebrew games and applications, and you could also run mods on games like Grand Theft Auto Online, etc, etc. If you did like the video tutorial, please comment, rate and subscribe, and thanks for watching.